Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick review on the Colourpop California Love palette. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful, like kind of pastel-y in a way, orange, kind of neon. It's so beautiful. Inside, stunning neutral shades. You got some pressed glitter formulas, some matte, some normal shimmers. Guys, Colourpop keeps getting better and better and better. I think this is now my #1 Colourpop palette, and then it would be, which is this one? I keep it out all the time. The Sweet Talk palette, and I get a lot of use out of this. Absolutely love this palette. I think this would be my #1, and then this #2 only because I can use this like for everything. But I absolutely love these new formulas that they've been doing with the pressed glitters. I love that. I highly recommend this palette. For those that do ask, you do get the shade names on the palette as well as on the back. Pigment is fantastic, great color range. You got a full palette to work with here, and I don't find the need to have to use a setting spray or anything like that or wet the brush to get a nice color payoff with the shimmers or pressed glitters, but you can do that to make it really intense. But I find that they work amazing on their own. I highly recommend this palette. 18 bucks, I believe. Yes, there is no mirror. However, I don't find that exactly necessary, but I know a lot of people do ask and all that. But I find this to be very great. Hands down, one of Colourpop's best palettes. I think they're doing better and better. So highly recommend this palette. I don't think anybody would be disappointed by this. So definitely check it out. I have been loving it like crazy, but 2 thumbs up from me. I think it's worth the hype, and I think you guys should give it a try. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.